Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back on my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, here is another exciting review for my crypto viewers, for my dear audience. So, welcome to Contracts, the future of cryptocurrency, powering the future of AI, one token at a time. So guys, going to before their further detail, I would request if you are new on my channel Crypto Victoria, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing videos notification. As you know that Victoria always come with an amazing and new platform in the world of cryptocurrency. So guys, let's go. And I have to say more that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. You have to take your own research. So guys, here I will tell you about our socials like our Telegram community, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and also I talk about on which exchanges, on which sites we are listed, and what are further our news and updates about our QTX platforms. And here I will tell you each and everything. So stay connected with me still last of the video, guys. And let's go. And now we start. Here I will tell you about that we are basically on BSC Binance Smart Chain and why you have to join and what are our Jigo terminal where you can see our chart. Also I tell about our white paper where is complete documentation of about contracts and how you can buy. I also tell you about you guys. So you have to go and about all of these exchanges like PancakeSwap and KuCoin. Here you can buy contracts. You have to just check out your own BSC Binance Smart Chain. And here is our official contract address, which I want to show you on my screen. You have to copy when you are buying this. So guys, you have to also join our Telegram community. Here you can see that check out all of our members and here you have to also give invite to all of your community, all of your socials. And now we talk about our platform, guys. Here you can check out, this is the very beautiful profile logo of contracts on my screen. And guys, this is the presenting you a new era of digital currency with our contracts coin, and we are the utility token that is powering our decentralized AI tech ecosystem that's giving users access to cutting edge AI tools like compute power and governance over the future innovations. So, guys, we have liquidity locked, supply is totally capped, and there is no roadmap, just real AI utility. Here you can also check out and what are the basic mission of contracts. There is a simple no hype, just real utility in your hands. This is our Twitter official account where you have to give a like, retweet and comment decentralized AI innovation, guys. And our total market cap is 10 million tokens, so you have to join this movement. You have to join our all of the social. Here you can see that we are live on coin market cap, and you can also check out our visibility, credibility, momentum. And next we have to go on coin Gigo, and we are just getting started now. And you can also check out all of our upcoming news about our CMC milestones to the moon on contracts here. So you have to stay connected with on all of our socials, and our ownership has been officially now renounced. And guys, this is our Instagram account where you can also check out our all of the further updates about contracts platform. And now we talk about our white paper. Here you have to just go on our site where you have to download this white paper, and this is the complete documentation where you can read about our company, our project, our proposal, all of our key points that we have mentioned in our project white paper. And this is here you can this check out our all of key points. We can talk about our project foundation at first point. Second, we have to do our investments and token details. Then we go on our tech utility, and in fourth we have to do all of the solutions about problems. And then we have to go projects funding, and in 6 we have to explore our vision and also our expansions. So here is if you have to just go down, and then you can check what makes us different, and what are the fixed supply, accessible entries, AI natives, and investment detail is all of token is available here. You can check out our token name, our ticker, our blockchain, our total supply, minting disable. All launch information is also available in our white paper. And you can also check out our utility, our tech, and you can also go. We want to make a very positive impact on the world of AI. What's are basically problems of and what we have to do, their solutions, and what from we have to fund, what are our project criteria, and what's their vision. You can go, and guys you have to download, and you can read here about our contracts platform, where you can check out and what I why you have to choose, why you have to join, because this is the AI for everyone, and where you can believe advanced AI tools that you can accessible. There is no locked behind paywalls or any monopolies, and true decentralization, and no hidden hands. Just this is a community, and we have built innovation where you can develop AI, robotic tech automations. And guys we have to do no fake promises. You can check out, as I say earlier in front of the you guys, there is no roadmap, no hype. We have to just do your delivery. And there is total 10 million token supply, that is fair supply, fixed forever. Liquidity is totally locked forever. And this is the powered by tech, driven by people, because this is a community led vision for the tech generation. And we are just getting started right now. And guys I tell you, you have to join for further updates, news, announcement about contracts. You have to mustly follow, and you have to mustly invite your friends, family, community on their our socials, which are like our Telegram community, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, as you get our further upcoming announcement about our platform here. And now guys here you can also see, we have also announced our each of the listing, each of the sites on our Instagram page. Here you can see that we are live on many more sites that are coming soon, like Coin Snipper, Fomo Spider. Here you can see that our maximum on sites. You can also check out. We have listed on all of the CMC famous exchanges like Coin Market Cap, Coin Gco, and we are also live on Dex Screener. You can see that, and you have to just get ready for this big move, and you have to join here. You can also check out our all of the graphs about our platform here, and you can check out our maximum 10 million supply of token here. And we are on Binance Smart Chain, and this is our contracts YouTube channel, where you can check out our videos, our tutorial of contracts here. And this is guys our TikTok account, where you can also check out our followers, likes, and where we also have posted about our platform. You can also check out, you can follow here. And about now we talk about our listing on all of the exchanges. Like here you can see that this is the Coindex. You can check out, we are listed here. Here is the bluish completely graph in front of you guys, where you can check out our current price. You can trade here, you can also trade in future. It's on to you. Either you join earlier, then you get a lot of. And here is our price chart is now live. Here you can see that our current price is 0.3938, and we are on Coindex. Here you can see, and there is the our live data, where you can also check out our total market overview here, and where what are the total holders, and where we have to you can also about go here and trade here. It's on to you, and our highest price you can check out, and you can all of check here highlights points of contracts performance at on CoinDex here. And guys, we are also listed on Coin Market Cap, and on CoinGecko we will be live in upcoming days, and we are officially live on Dextool, and we are excited to announce that Contracts is now officially listed all on the trackable Dextool, where you can check out on our dashboard for real-time trading data. And here is our, you can check out, this is totally bluish graph, that's price is 0.3814. So here is also our community where you can get, this is our total market cap, our total volume, all of our liquidity, our total supply, and all of the links is available here. And you can also check out our total contracts markets here, about our news, about our holders. So you have to go and just click here. And now I want to show you our dex screener graph, that is also totally bluish. Here is the our of official sites that I also placed in my video description, where you can get, where you can join. Our current price is on Dex Screener is 0.3842, and these are the all of our top holders that have joined. And this is about our market liquidity, where you can also go and check out on Dex Screener. So stay connected for further updates. See you next video. Thanks for watching.